Now we're going to be doing a right turning from the major road to the side road where it says partnership way. Now same thing again, we have got one big road and we have got two lanes here. Lane A, which belongs to us, and the lane B, which is oncoming cars. Now, do you have any understanding, if I ask you to turn right, what will be the procedures? What will be the thought process? How will you do forward planning? Any ideas?
So, checking my mirrors
Okay,
first.
good. Which two mirrors? Well done. Good.
Signaling.
Good. MS.
Signaling right, lowering my speed, slowing down.
No. So you're missing P before that. So
Positioning.
mirror positioning.
Yeah.
Where the
black line
line is, because black line is a border line. You don't want to cross over to the lane unless you're going to park car there.
Okay.
But you only want to cross if it's safe to do so. So mirror signal position, then S, you're right, slow down, yeah? And finally, which is the most important as well, L. What's the meaning of L?
Look.
Yes. So where are you going to be looking?
Going to be looking ahead, but also looking at what's coming my way on the right.
Well done. So you're looking ahead and you must look the road you're turning into. Why are you looking ahead?
If there's any oncoming traffic. But I'm also checking as well if I'll be able, because they could be turning for all I know as well.
So if they are turning and you turning right, who have got a priority?
They do?
Well done. Yeah, they do.
Because they're left.
Because, yeah, it's their left. Also, because we crossing their path.
Oh, that makes more sense. Yeah. That's easier to remember.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We crossing their path. They're not crossing our path. That's why the white black line is here on our side of the road, not on their side of the road. That is why they have got a priority. Yeah. Now, what if nobody's coming? However, there's a car coming down who is indicating going that way. Then who have got a priority? So you turning inside, nobody's coming. There's a car coming down, he's indicating going that way, front of your road.
We have priority.
Why you think we have got a priority?
Because we're the main road.
We're on the main road,
And
yes.
they're getting in our path.
That's it. Easy as that. Because they have got to give way to give us the way. 100%. Well done. Are you okay to do this by yourself?
We'll see.
Now finally, again, matters, and a lot of people fail. If I say to you that please, when you're turning right, do not cut the corner. What that means for you, tell me.
That means do not go into the other lane.
Which is a lane B. So you staying to the word I normally use is going to help you on your roundabout lesson. The word I normally use, always when you're turnings, follow the left curb. You see where the Princess Partnership Way is?
Yeah.
Keep your car near to the left curb.
Okay. Yeah.
Why this is going to help you? Because when we're going to do the roundabout session, we need to keep our car near to the left curb as well. So it's easy for you to navigate the roundabout as well. So we're going to be doing the right turning. So do you want my help, or do you think you can do this by yourself?
Okay. Should I try to do it by myself?
Of course you can. You can do this.
Okay.
Let's do this. Let's drive off whenever you are
So,
ready, please, for me.
I am getting the car into drive.
Yeah, palm
I
routine.
am checking my mirrors, my blind spot. I am indicating.
No, too late now. There's nobody around, but
there's no
do
one
indicate
around.
before.
I'm checking my mirrors.
Yeah.
Indicating.
Well done.
I'm positioning myself.
Just stay in this layer. Where your foot better off be?
Brakes.
Okay.
I am slow.
That's it. Okay.
I am looking before I accelerate, and I am accelerating.
That's it. Start doing progress.